Hello friends, welcome to Busy My channel. My name is Misha Khatun. In this video, I am going to discuss about the important points of apoptosis. In my previous two videos, I discussed about the apoptosis definition, causes, morphology and its mechanism. These are the most important points which we should remember for both PG and for our theory exams because these important points can be asked as MCQs. So let's start with the video. Before starting, I will request you to please watch this video completely, and before watching this, please watch my previous two videos, and if you like the video, then please press on the like button and comment in the comment box, and do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so whenever I post the video you will get the update. So let's start. The first important point is hallmark of apoptosis activation is caspase activation is the hallmark of apoptosis activation. Hallmark of neuronal apoptosis activation is apoptosis inducing factor. Why? Because in neurons the caspases are absent. So in neuronal apoptosis activation, apoptosis inducing factor is the hallmark but not the caspase activation. The first mitochondrial activator of apoptosis is cytosolic cytochrome C. Why? Because it activates the procaspase 9 to caspase 9 by binding to APAF1. We discussed in our previous video that when there will be increase in mitochondrial permeability, there will be two events taking place, and the first event is the release of the leakage of the cytosolic cytochrome C, and the second event is the leakage of the SMACW. Because of the leakage of the cytosolic cytochrome C, the procaspase 9 to caspase 9 activation is taking place. Hence, it is the first mitochondrial activator, and as it is the first event to be taking place on increase in the mitochondrial permeability. The second mitochondrial activator of apoptosis is SMACW, because this is the second event which is taking place on increase in the mitochondrial permeability, as it inhibits the inhibitor of apoptosis. We know that the inhibitor of apoptosis is present in the cytoplasm of the cell, which will be inhibiting this activation, that is procaspase 9 to caspase 9. It get inhibited by this IAP. So what? Then the SMACW comes into the play and it will be inhibiting this IAP. So procaspase 9 to caspase 9 get activated. Okay. The step ladder pattern is a characteristic of apoptosis. Why? Because of the endonuclease enzyme. In my previous video, I discussed that DNA fragments are getting broken down. Because of this, endonuclease causes the damage of the DNA and the DNA fragments are getting broken down. Okay. So we can see the pattern of the breaking down of the DNA fragments on agarose gel electrophoresis. Step ladder pattern is a pattern which is seen both in apoptosis and necrosis, but it is a characteristic of apoptosis because of the endonuclease enzyme. Okay. Step ladder pattern is not diagnostic of apoptosis. Why? Because as it is seen in necrosis also. Proto-oncogenes are both pro-apoptotic and anti-apoptotic. In my previous videos, I discussed that apoptosis is a programmed cell death. Why? Because it is programmed or it is tightly regulated by the genes, and the genes which are involved in regulating this apoptosis pathway are proto-oncogenes, and proto-oncogenes are both pro-apoptotic and anti-apoptotic. Intrinsic pathway is the major and the most important pathway. Misfolding of proteins activate the caspase, and this will activate the apoptosis. Misfolding of proteins causes the apoptosis. But if misfolding of proteins, if these misfolded proteins they don't activate the caspase, then apoptosis is not taking place. These misfolded proteins are not removed from our body, they are getting accumulated in our body, and they will be leading to the neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's chorea. In my video, that is the causes of apoptosis, I discussed that there are two causes taking place, physiological and pathological. In pathological causes, these misfolded proteins, if they are not removed from our body, then they are causing the such diseases like Alzheimer disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's chorea. So these misfolded proteins should be removed, and for this apoptosis take place. Okay. If you like the video, then please press on the like button and comment in the comment box, and please subscribe the channel, and please share this video with your friends so that they should also get benefit. Thank you.